Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can install any app using Web Catalog with just a single click. As you can see on my screen, I've already installed WhatsApp, Instagram, and YouTube using Web Catalog. So let's get started. First, open Firefox and type Web Catalog in the search bar. Once you hit enter, click on the first link. Web Catalog is available for macOS, Windows, and Linux. Since we're using Linux, we'll download the Linux version. Now you'll see two download options. You need to select the one that matches your CPU architecture. In my case, the CPU architecture is x64. If you're not sure about your CPU architecture, you can check it by running the lscpu command in the terminal. It will show you all the necessary details. Once the file is downloaded, copy and paste it to your desktop. To open this file, we'll use the terminal. Since the file is on the desktop, first, change the directory to the desktop. Next, we'll give it the required permissions. Then paste the file's path into the terminal and press enter. As soon as it opens, click Continue in Browser. Now you'll see some sign-in options. You can choose any one of them, whatever works best for you. Once you're signed in successfully, close that tab. Now open Web Catalog again, and you'll see the main interface. From here, you can install any app with just a single click. The app we installed can be opened using the Pop Launcher. And if you want to create a shortcut for any app on your desktop, just drag it from Pop Launcher and drop it right onto the desktop. Guys, for more cybersecurity and ethical hacking content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.